Well, it is time to rise and align on this beautiful Thursday. Finished my workout and about to go to work and get some schoolwork done. But I wanted to give you this message and tell you guys it's important that we stop telling people to stop being so emotional or they're too emotional. Emotions are a powerful force in order to create. And if you don't have a solution on how people need to transmute those emotions into something that is positive, just shut the fuck up. Because emotions are a necessary trait to have in order to create a life of abundance, prosperity, peace. You need emotions. Our situation here in this society, unfortunately, in this experience that we're in, we were not taught these things in school. We weren't taught these things by our parents. We have a certain amount of people in our lives that are here to bring this message. So it's important that we learn to not disregard any of our character traits, but to learn how to use them in the most powerful way in order to manifest the best things in our lives. So be emotional, use your emotions, but use it well.